20% louder.
Let's get it.
It sounds really good.
Guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe, and today we are going to be having a little bit of fun with Bryce's E92 M3. Today we are going to be swapping out exhaust systems on that beautiful E92 M3 that we just heard pass by. This is a car that has an incredible exhaust note from the factory because it is armed with a naturally aspirated 4-liter V8 engine dubbed the S65. So, Bryce, tell us a little bit about this exhaust system.
Okay, so this is the exhaust made by BMW, the M Performance exhaust. It's OEM Plus, basically. Like,
I see.
Yeah. So it's not that loud, like as loud as this, basically. But right now it's just a muffler delete. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put the muffler on, see how it is, I'm gonna drive it around. If it's a bit too quiet, I might cut the secondary cat.
So you originally went with this swap because of the drone.
Yeah. Yeah, I was like, on the highway, it's like,
yeah, it's unbearable. It's unbearable.
Yeah. But this engine drones at 3,000 RPM and 2,000.
That's a lot.
So that's when you're standing on the highway.
That's
basically.
literally highway cruising right there. Especially if you're trying to save gas.
Yeah, you have to be in 4th gear at 80 miles an hour if you don't want to hear it.
Damn, that is beautiful. Look at the mufflers, bro. That is...
It's so light compared to the OEM. Like I can carry it with one hand. I think it's 20 pounds.
20 pounds?
Yeah.
What's the factory one?
40.
Oh my god, that's so heavy. Yo, that is awesome. So we're doing this swap here at Frank's Muffler Shop. He's done a lot of exhaust modifications for me personally, him as well, and many other people here in the South Florida area. You guys definitely have to check him out. He does a really great work, and he does it at a very affordable price as well. Hello.
It's made of Inconel, so that's why apparently like the walls are thinner than stainless steel.
So it's gonna resonate a lot more.
Yeah.
What do we have to do now?
I go all the way back to my house to get my old exhaust, the stock exhaust.
Right. Oh my gosh. Well, at least we get to get like a last drive with this exhaust setup. Oh my gosh, dude. Such a unique sound, man. High-pitched yet muffled because of this exhaust setup.
What do you mean by that?
Like, it doesn't scream as much.
I get what you mean. It doesn't have that
It's not raspy at all. Yeah. That's why I'm really curious to see how this exhaust setup comes out like. Yeah, I see what you mean. Like at these low RPM speeds, it's really like
2,000 RPM.
And these are with the windows down too. So.
Put them up, it's like...
But yeah, my GoPro just fell off. But that's really disappointing. First time that I lost a GoPro was when we were recording a race between a C7 Stingray versus GT3. The GoPro was right here. Go, bro. Lift weights.
Nice.
I worked out yesterday, bro.
Yeah, me too.
Bro, only this MF wears Yeezys, bro, while doing this stuff. So that's the 40-pound stock exhaust. Look at the mufflers, man. They're so massive. This looks a lot bigger, like beefier. You know what I mean? Yeah. And so we realized that we dropped the GoPro right around here. It's very possible that somebody could have already like picked it up and, you know, just ran with it. But yeah, it's like it's a Hero 4. Like it's probably broken too. If it's gonna be somewhere, it's definitely gonna be on the left side of the. I'm sorry, the right side of the road. So we just have to basically keep our eyes out. The worst thing about all of this is that this is like maybe the 4th time that this happens to me. I've lost 2 Hero 4s and I lost 1 Hero 7.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And that one time that my GoPro fell off while we were doing a Mustang versus Camaro SS video, and the GoPro got stuck to my friend's spoiler. And it hung out there for like a good 30-40 minutes while we were looking for the GoPro on the road.
It sounds really good. It's like when you start it up, you don't hear anything, which is good. But when you get on it, it has the same like resonance, so it's pretty good.
Yeah, that was a bit anticlimactic for sure. All right, so what are your thoughts?
It needs a little bit more. Like it's just too. It sounds like stock, right?
How sad are you right now? All right, so we're gonna definitely take out the secondary cats. Should make it a little bit crispier. That's exactly what happened with my 5th generation Camaro.
20% louder.
20% louder?
Yeah, it would be good. I don't want the drone, but I want the
sound, especially when you like let loose.
Yeah.
Oh Cheeto. God, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Hello?
I have a leak inside my muffler delete.
Bro, ain't no way. I must say that it's not too late to go straight pipe.
Bruh.
So, M performance exhaust, secondary cat delete. Let's get it. It's very crisp.
Not that loud inside. You hear more of the engine than you hear the exhaust. It's not that loud at all. So now I need to actually drive fast to hear the car. Yeah, I hear the engine more than the exhaust for sure. Test pipes, but then I would have to tune it and deal with the smell. I'm not sure. It's a very conservative exhaust. I would recommend it if you're looking for something very loud. I was cross-shopping this with the Dynan exhaust because they're both kind of quiet, and but I went with this because I wanted the OEM Plus look.
Guys, so my boy Alejandro here actually found the GoPro lying on the street. guys, what's going on?
I have been chosen. Farewell, my friend. I go on to a better place.
I'm actually really glad that I have the footage here. But yeah, that's awesome. Faith in humanity has been restored.